Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And how to resolve the Windows calculator is not opening and it's not working. Sometimes it's hidden. So how to re-register the calendar. So first click to start, type run, and then hit open. After that type WS WS RESET. Okay, this is, and then click to OK. So after that, it open the Microsoft Store. So no worry about it. This command use that means some in install applications will reset automatically. Okay. So after it open and then close it. Then open PowerShell and re-register your calendar. So click to start and type the PowerShell. PowerShell. You can see this is PowerShell. Right click to run as administrator. After that, click to yes for the administrator access. Then guys, enter this command, which is I will give you in the description. This is for the re-register command, okay, of your cal- calculator. Then hit enter. Oh, sorry, I added the wrong dot and then hit enter. So after that, you can see the blue lines coming and it will successfully completed, and then close it. Next, repair calculator app. So click to start and then setting, then click to app, install app. So guys, find out calculator and click to three dot and then advanced option. Scroll down, click to reset, then repair and terminate. Okay, yeah. And when it is completed, then close it. Then again click to start, type run, then type the percentage temp percentage, then hit enter. So after that, it will open some temp locations. This is actually not your data and this is not required for the operating system. When using this operating system, open any software and browsing, so this is temp file we generate on this web location. So this is not required. So just click on delete key and select this and then click to skip. Okay, and then close it. Then last and very important, repair Windows file which is corrupted. Click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator. Then click for yes on the administrator access. Then click sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. So after that, it will start some percentage. Okay, so that's mean some corrupted file, some corrupted Windows files. So via this command, it will restore and repair. Okay, so when it is completed 100%, then restart your system. And if your issue is not resolved, so please comment me, I will support you.